Let's talk ceiling fans. I'm going to be replacing this ceiling fan with this ceiling fan right here. The seller sent this over to me because I was looking for something a little bit more compact, modern, and sleek. And what better way than to install this style fan right here? Let's begin by taking the ceiling fan down, replacing it with this one, and then show you what it's all about. Just like that, that's how simple it is to install this ceiling fan. It was a breeze to do, take about 10-15 minutes, take down the old fan, put the new fan up. I do like it because it gives a modern twist to a traditional ceiling fan, but you don't lose the amount of wind coming off of the fan blades when you do put the fan on, even with the small fan that you do see here. There's 6 different fan options, and when it starts going to number 6, it really starts blowing the air around the room. Now, the nice feature with this fan is that it hugs the ceiling nicely, whereas a traditional ceiling fan might come down maybe about 12-15 inches. The modern light around it does throw off a ton of light, and it also has 3 separate color tones that you could pick from. Another nice feature about this, on the remote itself, you could hit night light mode, and then it's going to dim it down so that way it's not very bright when you're trying to go to sleep or unwind for the day. Overall, I'm pleasantly surprised with this ceiling fan, and I think you will be too. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these. Go out, grab yours today. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.